Hey guys! In this video, I will show you the 5 best BlueStacks alternatives for Linux. Alright, let's begin. First up, we have Wageroid. Wageroid lets you run a full Android system on your Linux machine. It's fast, smooth, and integrates well with your desktop environment, making it a solid choice. Coming in at number 2, we have Genumotion. Genumotion is perfect for developers and testers. It provides a wide range of virtual devices and Android versions to choose from. Next, at number 3, we have Anbox. Anbox runs Android apps directly on Linux without any emulation overhead. It's lightweight and focuses on speed and compatibility. Coming in at number 4, Android x86. This project allows you to install Android on a PC just like a regular operating system. It works well on most hardware and gives a near-native Android experience. Finally, at number 5, we have BlissOS. BlissOS is highly customizable and focuses on security and performance. It brings a full Android interface to your Linux system with extra features. That's it for this video. Thanks!